Shenzhen Merrillchip Electronics Company Limited was established in 2013, with its headquarters located in Shenzhen, a renowned window of China's reform and opening up. Our company is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, and our core business covers the research and development business services and software development of IC, electronic components, PCB, PCBA, and related electronic products, while also providing electronic component procurement services supported by professional capabilities. We have established stable and in-depth cooperative relationships with well-equipped partner factories, which have laid a solid foundation for our supply of high-quality products. Our partner factories have a total production area of 5,036 square meters with 9 multifunctional high-speed SMT soldering lines, 5 intelligent plug-in lines, 12 multifunctional test lines, 4 fully automatic anti-corrosion paint coating lines, and a series of high-precision detection equipment over 19 units, with a soldering daily output of up to 27 million points and an assembly finished product daily production capacity of 20,000 PCS. Quality control is the top priority of our partner factories. All products must undergo a strict multi-stage inspection process covering the entire production cycle, from the IQC of raw materials to solder paste printing, SPI, SMT assembly, reflow soldering, AOI, DIP insertion wave soldering, dry ice cleaning, until final product packaging. This comprehensive quality management system effectively eliminates non-conforming products and ensures that every product delivered to customers meets high-quality standards.